Hello, ladies. This is Miss Crystal. I'm just coming to you guys with a quick little video about some tips and tricks of things that I've learned as a dental assistant as far as when it comes to tooth numbering. Here you have a regular Topodont. Okay. And this is basically a model of the human mouth. This is our little friend here. Alright, so what you can see is that the human mouth is broken up into two arches. The top arch is going to be called our maxillary arch. The bottom is going to be called our mandibular arch. When it comes to numbering teeth, you always want to make sure that you start with the patient's right side. Not your right side, but the patient's right side. So, ideally, this would be my right. But since everything in dentistry is almost backwards, so we're going to start on this side as far as with numbering. Now, my background here is also a tooth numbering chart. What you're going to notice that is different between the actual chart and my Topodont is that my Topodont is missing its third molar. Okay? On the right side, it's missing tooth number 1. That will go here. And also tooth number 32. Okay? It does have tooth number 2 and 3. Now, these two teeth here, these are your first molars. These will be also your second molars. Your third molars, those are the ones that are missing, which is also identical to the opposite side of this Topodont. Because this is the left side, we're now looking at the missing area to be tooth number 16. And on the mandibular side, we're looking at this one to be tooth number 17. Again, 16 and 17 are missing. So there's one thing to keep in mind when you are practicing memorizing your tooth numbers. Your third molars, which would be the father's teeth in the back, would be 1, 32, 16, 16 would be here, and 17. Okay? Alright, so for numbering purposes, let's go ahead and also talk about what's after the molars. So after the molars, you will have your premolars. Okay? So your premolars will consist on the right side of tooth number 4 and 5. On the left side, number 12, and number 13. On the lower, they will be considered of tooth number 20 and 21. On the right side, on the lower, tooth number 29 and 28. As you move forward from the premolars, the next tooth would be your canines. Your canine on your maxillary right is going to be number 6. On the left, your canine is going to be number 11. On your lower left, your canine is going to be number 22. And on your lower right, your canine is going to be tooth number 27. Now, without looking at numbers and just looking at a patient regular, if you notice how the canines look a little bit more predominant than any tooth because it looks like a fang. It's here. So you always know that those teeth will actually stand out. All right. Moving forward from the canines, your next set of teeth are going to be your incisors. Your incisors are going to be the front 4 teeth. Starting in the middle, on the right side, number 8 and number 7. On the left side, number 9 and number 10. Again, there's number 8 and number 7, number 9 and number 10. For the maxillary. For the mandibular, you're looking at number 23, number 24, number 25, and number 26. Something that I did as a student to help me memorize numbers. And again, your wisdom teeth are actually missing on this typodont. So you have third molars. Your third molars are 1, 16, 17, and 32. Then you want to come with 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 through 8, 9 through 16, drop down 17 to 24, 25 through 32. Those are going to make up the 4 quadrants of the mouth. Again, 1 through 8, meeting at the midline. 9 through 16, dropping down 17 to 24, 25 through 32. All right, ladies, this is just a quick preview. We would definitely go over this in depth so that you guys can know it and learn it.